Hello, my name is Chris Palmer. I want to touch on a few bases really quick here, and then I'm going to show you in the SERPs that search intent matters. And in today's video, I'm sorry, I need to touch on an old topic because it has consistently came up in the comments and on Facebook. I get the same question. Why are these tools telling me to write my descriptions at 150 to 160 characters, but you told us to write our descriptions even longer? So in this video, I want to touch on an old topic. I'm sorry for those that may have heard this in the past. Guys, when I give you information, I want you to go and test it yourself. Now, I want to touch on a few bases really quick here, and then I'm going to show you in the SERPs that search intent matters. It is completely irrelevant of what the tools are telling you because the search intent matters. I'll say it again, and I'm sorry. So these tools are being a little delusive. However, they don't mean to be. They are giving you best practices, but depending on the search query and the search intent of the person that is searching, it depends on their intent on what Google is going to serve. So stick with me here. Here is how these tools are being delusive. It's not that they're lying. They're just not telling you all of the facts. They want to give you the best practice for everyone, but each keyword, each search intent may have different meanings, or the person may be at a different phase in the funnel, so they're searching a different way. So when you're writing your meta descriptions, you need to put in each variation of keywords, basically writing maybe 2 or 3 meta descriptions, because based on the search intent of the user, will determine what is served to the end user. And that's the point I'm trying to make. So as you can see here, here is Moz.com. Moz is a tool, a great tool. I love their tools. However, as you can see here in the snippet, 50 to 160 characters. Another popular tool is Yoast. Yoast, again, 155 characters. And the list goes on. I'm not here to call out these SEO tools providers. All I am simply saying is when I give information, I ask that you test it before you ask me and say that, Chris, it doesn't work, or this isn't right, or why are the tools saying this? Why is this guy saying that? I'm giving you the information that I know and that I have tested or I have tried. So let's just head right over here. Enough talking. Let me show you the difference in search intent. So I was searching something that I put in looking for my name because I tried to index a citation using Reddit. That's a video coming up. So in any case, so if you take a look here at the contact page, I have a very long description. It's 2 descriptions depending on the search intent: consulting, training, private, whatever the case may be. I have included it in my meta description. So take a look here at the contact. This is my page. This page is simply built. I'm not trying to rank it for anything. It is simply there to collect emails from social profiles and other entities that I have out there. People may contact me. Okay, that's why this page exists. So, in any case, Chris Palmer Marketing contact. So as you can see here, here is the meta description that it's serving for this search intent. Now this search intent is irrelevant, but the search intent that Google is determining of me being the user is it's going to serve this particular contact information, right? Now, with that being said, if I go over here to contact Chris Palmer Marketing, take a look. It is serving a different meta description. Why? Because the search intent is different. I'm glad that I was able to go ahead and show you, because people said, hey, do you have proof? Do you have a case study? It's very simple. My friends, please go out, write a 300, 400 character meta description. Take your sitemap, submit it to Google. Wait 3 or 4 days. Do numerous searches for the keywords that you're trying to target that are within your meta description. Open up numerous pages and take a look. You will see that depending on the search intent of the user, being you, you're searching yourself, Google will serve different meta descriptions that match the search intent. I don't need a case study. It's very simple. I'm here to help you. Anything that I go ahead and I tell you, please test it on your own. If you have theories, if you have questions about digital marketing, Facebook ads, anything, SEO, local SEO, SEO testing, SEO theories, anything, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, SEO tools, SEO testing video. Have a wonderful day.